Just feel this is where I belong.
I have a really interesting lifestyle in my own house. You guys won't even see me outside. God is going to put us where we want to be. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seffa. If you're new here, hi, please don't leave so soon. Subscribe and join other family members. Okay, welcome to my Lagos living vlog. All right, so guys, whoa, I've been a bit under the weather for days now and I couldn't even say anything. But yesterday I was so overwhelmed when I got pounded yam. I had to show you guys. I was a bit cranky yesterday when I was making that video, you know, dealing with the punishment that is cramps. So I was just so excited, but actually guys, that I have folded yam. I finally got folded yam. If you recall, I mentioned in my previous vlog that I was craving pounded yam. I'm looking for where they will pound like yam, pounded yam. And since I'm very new to Lagos, finally I got one yesterday. So guys, I'm stepping out now. I'm going to make new cornrows. All right, very nice one because I have to film. Okay, I was supposed to film today. Even if it is supposed to go up today, but no pressure. Let's see what the day holds. I have in store for us. Okay, I'm just going to paint my nails, move this one. I've just started moving my feet very bad, so I'm going to have new cornrows and already apply my sunscreen in case there's excess sun outside on my shoulders. I don't want any tan lines. Here it's just green top from Maka, and of course my baggy trousers. I'm speaking of Maka, can you hear me? My baggy trousers and my slippers. I'll speak to you guys later when I get home. Hi fam, hi loves, hi everybody. Hey Lord. Good morning guys and happy new month to all of you. We made it to December. Give my happy dance. Hey, congratulations to all of us guys. We made it to the 12th month of the year. So well done. You've tried, you've done your best, you've won, you've cried, you've laughed, and now we are almost at the close of the year. I'm proud of you. Okay, so what are you grateful for? What are you excited about? How is Christmas preparation? everyone knows, or everyone says that okay, Christmas is the best part of the holidays. Yes, I couldn't have agreed less. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. So I made my hair yesterday. Yeah, I came back early, but I couldn't talk to you guys. I was so upset. Story time. But right now, I'm going to skip this story until I'm done. I'm preparing to film now. Okay, I have a new content coming your way, guys. Ooh. Okay, so I want to go and have my bath now and prepare, dress up. Yeah, because this cornrow sort of fit me, and I can't even remember last I made like zigzag. Is that what it's called? But I love it, and yeah, the nails are out and fingers are resting, so I chose this color. So let me go and prepare now, guys, and come back so we'll get started. Guess what's going on? Guys, can you take a quick guess where I'm going to? 1,000 there. Always going to guess correctly. I would love to give you a hint, okay? With the way I'm dressed, for I'm not sure, oversized shirts, shorts, flat, dark shades on. Alright, just guess, okay? But anyways, surprise when I get there. You guys are gonna say it, alright? But don't film me, though. You saw when I was filming, yeah? Who guessed correctly? Ooh, your girl is at the beach this evening, guys. I didn't actually know where to be. So, guys, I actually saw Beverly Naya, but I couldn't even stop by to say hi to her. I feel so bad. Okay, so it's about to be a movie. I'm about to tour everywhere. I'll probably take a video so you guys can see my outfits. I don't know if you can hear me, but yes, I'm at the beach now, guys. I just wanted to savor in nature today. I'm so excited, guys. Hey. I think my December is made. This is lovely. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, look at. I just feel this is where I belong. See how the sun is resting on my face. Honestly, sunsets are actually the most beautiful. I agree with anybody. I really want to try the sunset picture, but it's not working. I'm looking for it. Okay. See, let's try. But I actually see the intensity. Okay. I just feel like this is it. Why is it becoming so red now?
crazy, guys. I had so much fun on this beach.
See you guys. It's almost time to go home, guys.
I wish I could stay a little longer.
But I have to go, and I'm being security conscious, so I'm going home. But I feel a little hungry. I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna look for where to eat. I'll talk to you guys when I'm settled, okay? Hi my loves, good morning. Hope you all woke up well today. If you're watching this video this time, if you watched it this time, I love you. God bless you. Thank you. So guys, it's been long we gisted. So what's been happening? Ooh, I finally went to the beach in Lagos. I've always desired to be at Landmark Beach. Okay, I sort of love just too quiet. But okay, it's better that you can hear me. All right, and the windows are even open and it looks cloudy, like it's going to rain. So guys, I went to the beach yesterday. I wanted to go to a restaurant just to sit down, and okay, I didn't want to, so I thought far and wide, and the beach became an option, so I chose it. I'm so happy I did. Oh, I had fun. It's been a very long time, and the last time I went to a beach was in my hometown. Okay, I love nature, you know. I used to say I love take me to where there are tall buildings, trees, you know, the leaves, like greenery. I said I have gist for you guys. It rained, yeah, and everywhere was flooded. Just want more rain, like it's not very heavy. I wanted to cry. I was trying to order boats and they were complaining. Like the road that leads into my house was flooded. Boats were not responding. I don't know what is wrong with my luck with boats. Me, okay, Bean's friend's car was available, but because of fear, I wasn't brave enough to even try to move that car. I said, what did that? I was caught up in traffic. My driver's license, like, it's not ready yet. So what will happen to me? That's how I went to. Coming back, everywhere was flooded. It was really crazy. I was already angry, grumpy, upset. I was really angry, guys. I begin to like wonder, how do people cope who are victim of flood? Because it was crazy. It was really crazy. House update. We have not seen the carpenter, guys. I'm saying we because he said he called, that is before he traveled. He tried to reach out to the guy. He said he would come. I've not seen him. He's playing hanky panky. Even the mirror is not ready. I was not available yet. I don't know. So I kind of feel like look for someone else, but I don't know. And him too is quite busy not to like help me reach out to someone else that will help me get these things done. Guys, see, I'm already sweating. I told you guys. It won't even take long for me to start sweating. All right. So that is all for now. And please, you guys should pray for me. I'm even thinking of using the car today, but I'm so scared. Like, how will I even cope with shouting? Okay, auntie, come on for road. You can't even drive, and I can't fix Lena yet on it. So I'm just caught up in the web. All right, so guys, what's up? I made a beautiful content. I hope you guys love it. You'll be watching when it comes out. I'm trying to figure out how to start my vlogmas, the plans I have. So once vlogmas starts, you guys are gonna see it. This is going to be my first year doing vlogmas, and I can't wait for all that is to come. Right, I haven't really made my December plans. I don't want to rush into it, okay, because everything that has to do with these plans involves expenses in between, and then figure things out slow and steady. Yeah, so I just finished stretching. Maybe that's why I'm so sweaty. I want to go have my bath now, and every other thing that comes up, definitely you guys are going to see. Like, I'm really going through a lot in this Lagos, from expenses to heat to tackling the road. Like, sometimes I want to go out, baby, I already arranged the place I want to, figure out the place I want to go to, and I'll see the price. It's okay, it's cool, it's not expensive. Give me like the next 3 minutes or 5 minutes that I want to prepare and go where I'm going to. The price already inflated. They'll say high demand, traffic, fuel. It's crazy. Like, I really want to be here, but I'm reconsidering. But hopefully, I kind of love Lagos because I'll get to go to the beach often. There are no beaches in Abuja. I'm passing through a lot in Lagos, but I won't have it any other way though. It's not that bad. Okay, it's just that I'm so used to being a couch potato. I only go out because it requires me for my content. Do you get it? I figure like if I have a really interesting lifestyle in my own house, you guys won't even see me outside. So, but I'm planning that, and God is going to put us where we want to be. Okay, so for now, you guys should manage me. It might be boring, but yeah, this is the reality. This is my reality. I might not put out everything about my life out here, but sincerely, this is me. Like, you can still be who you are, where you are, and still enjoy life. That is all my vlog is about. Okay, everything is being strategized, right? I am not where I want to be, really. I admire people who have been where I want to be, but it won't change the fact that I'm taking my life one day at a time, that I'm living it to the fullest, enjoying every moment. And trust me, there are no pretense here. If I'm sick, I'm sick. If I can't put out a vlog, I can't put out a vlog. But the truth is, you can still have a boring life and someone can relate to it. Okay, there are people too who are trying to navigate through their 20s but are scared, like, what would happen? This thing doesn't really look interesting. People won't buy it. Give it a try. I'm someone who likes to try different things and see the one who works for me. That is it. Both in friendship, in work, in skills. I have so many skills that I haven't tapped yet, guys. Well, soon everything will fall in place. Okay, this is a word for you there, that just try anything. They don't buy it, cool, but the fact that you've tried. All right, I love you guys, and this is me just trying to be aspirational. I tend to be all the time. So guys, I think I have to go now. I'll talk to you guys if anything comes up. Please watch my skincare videos and tell me what you think about it. I love you guys. Bye. Sunday. Happy Sunday. So I just finished doing my Sunday simple reset, mini bath and routine. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm not spoken to you guys in a while. Okay, I've just been there. Like, I've just been feeling like not doing anything, coupled with the fact that I'm a little bored. Yeah, so I didn't make it to church today because they're having a function and I don't know I'm going to thrive since I don't know anybody there. So I couldn't go to church. I just finished my pampering routine. I want to plan my vlogmas now. Make plans for the rest of December, content creation and the rest. So yeah, that's basically what I'm about to do. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Just going to write now and see whatever comes for the day. I don't know. I have no plans of going out. I don't even have any plans of creating Instagram content. Okay, well, I'm good. It's just one of those days when you're caught up in your feelings. But I'm still gonna talk to you guys again. All right. Yeah. See ya.